Hi everyone. I appreciate you coming back to my channel. I'll walk you through configuring this Cyberpunk home screen in this tutorial. Consider tapping the bell symbol and subscribing to my channel if you're new here so you don't miss any updates.
You're a superhero.
These are the required apps. The link is provided in the description. If you have trouble downloading files, watch the video given in the I button. Now, let's begin the video. Extract the Nova backup file after downloading it from the description. Set it as wallpaper. Return and use the Nova backup. To restore the Nova backup, simply open as Other, choose Nova Launcher, and click OK. As I shown, create the widget. Verify that KWGT is installed, then search for and choose widget number S81. To make the widget look flawless, resize it to 100 and save it. You made it. I appreciate you seeing the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy it. See you in the upcoming video. Goodbye.